Welcome back to I Drank the Kool-Aid, Anno Set, and Layer Set Relationships. Timer started. So I was just talking about how this, I'm not sure what I was talking about. I'm trying to keep this simple. So I talked about the layer sets, rep sets, and nano sets. Stop. Okay. Now, how does this work? How does this work? I've got my plan almost done. I got layout, and I go to my I go to some plan. When I go to W, hang on, one. Let's go to the floor plan. Plan's almost done. There's a change to it, okay? And I want to edit this plan. The question is, what do I want to see? I want to edit the floor plan. What do I want to see? I want to see the floor plan. I want to have the annotation set floor plan. So when I type in some text, it goes on the floor plan text. I don't want it to go on the foundation plan text. I don't want it to go on the floor framing text. I want it to go on the floor plan text. So I have to have a particular anno set activated. And then I have to have a particular layer set activated. I don't want to look at the framing layer set, do I? I'm editing the floor plan. And of course, I want to have the ref set activated, the correct ref set activated. And when I click it, when I open something from layout, that's exactly what I get. I get the floor look. I get the floor plan anno set activated. I get the layer set floor plan activated, which is what I want. And so what is my ref set? A4 floor plan ref first. I'm referencing this is the ref set for the first floor. It all makes sense to me. It's very unique to this particular view because this is what I'm editing. Do I want to use the foundation anno set? No, I'm working on the floor plan. Do I want the foundation layer set? No, I'm working on the floor plan. So I want the floor plan anno set. Do I want the foundation ref set? No, I want the first floor ref set. I mean, that is what I want to work with. So what's really cool about this, and this is what Jim pointed out, is look, if you work off of your, if you work from your layer set, open this up. I'm on the second floor. A4. These are my. It doesn't make any sense to you, but it makes sense to me. This is my anno set for the second floor plan. This is my layer set for the second floor plan, and then my reference. Oh, wrong reference set, isn't it? Oh boy, A4 floor plan second. Oh, where is it? There's very little difference between the two. But anyway, so that's what I want, and it makes sense to me. So whenever I open something from layout, which is what Jim pointed out, this other crap is not necessary. There's no thinking involved. Cabinets at cabinet plan. Yeah, if I open up my cabinet plan, I have my floor plan, cabinet plan, anno set. Because when I dimension something, I want to dimension. I want to just dimension cabinets. I don't want to dimension anything else. So it has to be a unique anno set, and it has to be a unique layer set because with a floor plan for the cabinet plan, I just want to see dimensions for cabinets. I don't want to see all the other dimensions. And the ref set's sort of unique too for whatever reason. I mean, I think my ref set for this where's my button right here. It's A4. Oh, maybe I think that the A4 floor plan ref first works for the cabinet plan too. Also, anyway, maybe it won't in the future, but for right now it works. Now, so what Jim was saying is when you go to your say upper framing, the roof framing plan right here, I've got. Oh shit. Okay. Obviously, it's not upper framing. It should be the upper framing annotation set, which should trigger the upper framing layer set, which also should trigger the upper framing ref set. So all tied in together. I probably screwed some things up here somewhere, but I'll get it down eventually. That's why I use the SAM, because eventually it'll get all worked in together. Now suppose, so that works well that way. So if you're going to access a particular view from layout, you get the correct anon set, layer set, and ref set, which makes sense to me. But suppose now I want to say, oh, well, I want to change this floor plan right here. Now I want to work on the floor plan of the upper floor, so I'll go to the A4 a second. See that? There's my anon set that's activated, which activates this layer set, A4 floor plan second, it's the second floor. But here's the problem. Wrong ref set, right? Wrong ref set. And believe me, for me, so I have to change this ref set to A4 floor plan ref set second. So the ref set might be just slightly different for the floor plan versus the framing plan. And maybe it's not, but it's peace of mind for me that I know that I can change the ref set layers if I want without affecting something else. That's the key. So that's why it's all unique to me. Stop. So let me go. This is so confusing. I get it. It's confusing. So I'm trying to simplify it as much as possible. So as Jim would say, if you access a particular view from the layout, you get the proper anon set, layer set, and ref set. And so if I open this up, well, it's still messed up. I think cancel. This should be, wait, open object, plan view. Oh, there it is. Current annotation set, it should be upper framing, A7 upper framing. That's what it should be. So let's see if I've now fixed it. If I now fixed it, double click it, open it up. No. Why not? I don't know. Because I have to reset it to fucking layout, I guess. Because when I sent it the first time, long time, this is an older plan. Open, it should be. Stop. I'll fix this real quick. Stop. Okay, sorry. I had to resend my my upper framing set back to layout. So now when I open this up, and this is what I'm talking about, and this is what Jim was saying, is if you open it up from the layout, then your anon set, your ref set, your anon set, your layer set, and your ref set should all be right. Or in other words, the Rihanna. The Rihanna's right. What's the Rihanna for this? The Rihanna, ref, layer, and anon. If I open this up, you can see my anon set is the upper framing, the layer set is upper framing, and my ref set is upper framing. It all makes sense to me. They're all the same. They're all separate set sort of layouts, but they have the same name, just so I know that they all work together. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, brother? So what I'm sort of getting at is, we talked about this. What did I say about this? Did I already talk about this right here? This right, upper framing. Hang on, upper framing. I'm sorry. Did you know that before X6, before this later version, this anon set wasn't? Look, my toolbar is out of the box. This is the out of the box setting. I don't mess around with it. I don't understand how to mess around with it. And it works for me. So my point is, before X6, we always had this layer set drop down menu up here. We always had the layer set selector drop down, but we never had the anon set selector drop down up here. We never had the anon set selector drop down menu up here before. And so I had to customize my toolbar to select that. And with X6, it's a default. It's a default. So they improved this. This is new. But I want to say this. I want to say this. If I'm going to open this up real quick. Whereas we all know that this up here, we all know that up here, this thing right here, this up there is the anoset selector drop down. I don't like to think of it like that. I like to think of it as the Riano set selector. This is the Riano set selector. Actually, it's not the Riano. I wish it was the Riano. It's the Lano. It's a Lano. I don't get the ref set. If I select the floor plan right here, this is sort of key to understand. If I select the floor plan second floor, I get the floor plan second floor ano set, the floor plan second floor layer set. Do I have the floor plan second floor ref set? No, still stuck with ref framing, with the upper framing ref set. Does that make sense? So I wish this button up here, and this is how I look at it. I think everybody kind of sees this. This is the anoset selector. I like to see it as the Riano set selector. Riano, the ref set, the layer set, and the ano set. But in truth, it's really the Riano, the layer set, ano set selector. God, this is so confusing. I mean, I get it. I really do. End of part 2. End of part 2.